Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a YouTube channel. So let's start the video. At first, open the YouTube app or go to youtube.com. Make sure you are logged into your Gmail account. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now click on Create a Channel. From here, you will see a setup page. Here, add your channel name. Then click on Save. Then you can change the handle from here. Then click Save. Upload a profile picture by clicking here. After that, click on Create Channel. Your YouTube channel will be ready instantly. So that's how you create a YouTube channel. For more simple tutorials like this, follow Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.